Hello guys, my name is Sukhraj. Welcome to the series of SQL interview question answer. In this video, we will see how get the end salary from a table. This is very common interview question to select the end salary from a table. Let's start on it. I have a table employee and it has 10 records. This is the salary column for each employee. Now we need to find third highest salary from this table. To find it, first of all, what we will do, we will select the salary from employee, right? Let's order by it descending order. Column is salary. Now we need to find the third highest salary. Third highest salary is 28580. What is duplicate, right? Two employees have the same salary, so what we need, what in actual, what is the third highest salary? That is the 25,000, right? So use the distinct here. Now third highest salary is 25,000. To get this salary from this list, we need 25,000. Let's remove other salaries from here. We can use top 3 here. Okay, this is the syntax. See, now we got these 3 salaries. From these 3 salaries, we need to select the 25,000. Suppose this is the new table. Now this is the new table. Whatever salary we got from here, to select the 25,000, it will be good if we will reorder it and then select the top one. Let's do it using the subquery. Select salary from this inner query. Let's name it result. Now we can select the third salary from here to get the third highest salary. Let's order by it in ascending order. Now this is the output. See, this is the first salary came here, which we need. To select it, we can use again top one here. Yes, now we got the third highest salary. Now this third denote the nth. If I need fourth highest salary, I can put 4 here and execute the same query. It will give the fourth highest salary. Let's put here 3 and run both the queries. You can see here I have 25,000 and let's order by salary in the first query as well. Now see, third highest salary, first is 3750, second is 28580, again this is same, then third is 2500, 25,000. We have multiple way to achieve this. We can achieve the same thing using the dense rank as well with the common table expression. Let's do that as well. Now in this, what the dense rank did, we use the order by salary. In this case, it ordered by to the highest salary, that is given the rank as 1. Then for the next one, it give the rank 2. One, it is duplicate here, so it provided the same rank to these 2 salaries. Then again for the 25,000, it provided the 3 and it's again duplicate, so 3. So like this it is working. Dense rank is working in this way. Now let's put a common table expression around it. Now we can select from this common table expression where row number is equal to nth is for now we have 3, so just execute it. What is the error? Okay, see here, just use the distinct outside. Now we got the third highest salary here, and let's execute this inner query outside as well and comment the first one. See here, we have this dense rank number, that is the row number I given here, that is 1 2 2 3 3. So this is the n. If I want the fourth one, I can put a 4 here. In this way it's working. In the coming video we will cover more interview questions which are related to SQL. Thank you everyone.